The paired but not connected issue on your Xumo TV, often on Roku or Fire TV, means your remote is recognized by the system but can't send commands reliably. This happens with Bluetooth remotes due to interference or software bugs. Common causes include Bluetooth interference from Wi Fi or nearby devices, low batteries, or software glitches that disrupt the active data transmission. A quick fix is to reset and relink the remote. First, replace the batteries with fresh ones to ensure power. Then, reset the remote. For Roku remotes, hold the home and back buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. For other remotes, check Xumo's support page for specific button combinations. Finally, relink the remote. Access your device settings, like Roku's remote menu, forget the remote, and repair it. Keep the remote close to the device with fresh batteries during this process. This method resolves most issues by re-establishing active data transmission after pairing. When basic resets fail, try power cycling your Xumo device and TV by unplugging them for 30 seconds. Check for interference from microwaves, Wi-Fi routers, or other devices. Relocate your device away from these sources. Ensure your Xumo app and device firmware are up to date through your app store. If issues persist, use the Xumo mobile app as a backup remote control. Future remotes will feature AI-integrated auto repair features, reducing manual resets. App-based remote controls and improved Bluetooth 5.2 technology will minimize connectivity issues. For persistent cases, contact Comcast support for firmware updates or hardware replacements. As of mid-2025, Comcast's AI-driven troubleshooting app provides real-time diagnostics to guide you.